welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a creative product effect in Canva. So you can create in many posting apps and mail. So let's begin without further delay. Okay, so first of all, you're going to click on YouTube video. Now, when my template is going to be loaded, now what you're going to do is that I'm just going to quickly rename my template to Canva 36. I'm going to go in my uploads. And I'm gonna go in my videos and I have this preset already a file. I'm just gonna remove the audio from it. Okay, then I'm gonna go in my elements and I'm gonna search for over here and for example, if you don't have this preset, what you can do is that you can search for abstract grunge in elements. And yeah, the mostly options are for premium users. So if you are a pro, if you are like a free user, what you can do is that you can open your Google, search over here for abstract grunge. Okay, so you can go in the images and or for example if you're gonna go in your videos you can download any video from the Google as well, or if you're gonna go in your images panel then you can take any image you want from VecTZ, Shutterstock or any website you want to use. I have this preset available as a video. First of all, I'm gonna click on a blank page and I'm gonna add a heading. I'm gonna type in here spaghetti. And I'm gonna change my style to NQ, like a Q. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, I'm gonna change its color to white. And I'm gonna go on my effects and I'm gonna click on glow. And I'm gonna increase my intensity and align it towards the center. I'm gonna go in my share, downloads, and I'm gonna click on pages and current page. Click on my PNG and I'm gonna download it. Now what you're gonna do is that on the Google you're gonna search for remove page. I'm gonna click on the second link. You can click on any link you prefer. And over here now you're gonna just drop your image right here. Now as my image is downloading without wasting any further time, let me just quickly go and type in your pizza. Now I'm gonna type in your shawarma. Now the same you wanna do for them as well. The same process. And now you're gonna download all of them. I'm gonna delete this page. I'm gonna click on see all. Now you might be thinking I split in my image because I want 3 different templates over here. Now what you can do is I'm gonna click on I'm gonna on my color pop, I'm gonna click on hibiscus because I want a different type of texture of color for my design because it's a quick saver for time and you can change the color like that. And now I'm gonna click on Explore Plus. Can I do it if for example if just take it and I can get a different shade of pink maybe? So orange and red. Pink and orange is gonna be a totally blend. So maybe we can choose another color? I guess not, we can't. Let's just be original. Okay. Now let's just go in my elements. Now you're gonna click on gonna click on the uploads and click on images. And you're gonna pick on I'm just gonna pick on my spaghetti. I'm gonna rotate it to give it a style. I'm gonna give it an effect. Let me just give it old TV. Okay, I'm just gonna add this little transition over here. Match and move. Now I'm gonna add this brush style. Now, if you want like, where did I get this brush style? You can either go on the elements right here. But if you're not a Premiere user, then you would get really like less options. So if you want, you can prefer Google for it. And I'm just gonna quickly search over here for brush. And for example, if you take this one right here, or you can have many options right here, and yeah, don't like these type of brushes, like the strokes one. You can like define it more. Now I'm gonna like adjust it. Let me just add blush. Now I'm gonna drop my text right here. Okay, yeah. Okay, now it's working. Now I put my text right here. Now I'm just gonna click on my spaghetti one. Let me just align it. Add the same animation. I know it's kind of glitching a little, but yeah, just trust the process. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try a little like a double text effect. Just explore in your own ways. Like, you can explore many ways. There are many type of ways you can try. You can explore. And yeah, if you want to be like, first of all, the key to every designer is to explore the tools. I don't know what type of effect I'm trying to give to it, but I guess it's kind of looking great. Let's see what type of filters we can give it. Ah, I like this one. It gives a bold type of effect on it. Okay, now just gonna take this one right here, the pizza one. Now you're gonna align it just the way you want it to be. You can change its color as well by going to the duotone and custom. And I am in the filters panel and the edit panel. Now you can adjust the colors the way you want it to be. I'm just trying to adjust like a color style on it. Let me just give it a little animation as well. Let's just give it like the chroma wave. It's that one's great. Or you know what? Let's just add both to them. Like the both, like the when you enter like that. I just want to delete this double effect which I was trying to do. Now let me just delete it right here as well. Now obviously I'm not gonna use the spaghetti one because it's not the spaghetti. And I'm just gonna click on pizza. Do you like pizza? Tell me in the comment section. I like it. Let me add a brush animation translation as well. Now over here the same I'm gonna do and I'm gonna change it to a different image of a shawarma. Have you tried shawarma? If not, you should. It's a really great thing. Let me just align it towards my will. Now I'm gonna add the shawarma text to it and tilt it towards like the way I want it to be, like so that it can adjust in it. Now let's just quickly preview it. Does it look nice? Hope it does. Okay. I have a song also. So like it makes it more interesting for like the the one who is viewing the song or like the post. And if you want to find audios for like literally like almost like for your budget, you can go on either audio library or go on Pixabay Music. Pixabay, I highly recommend Pixabay because it has amazing music towards your recommendation.
Cause every time that I try to run from your love,
Like this. So you can free and totally free. You can download any audio you want. I'm just gonna split it and I want it like the audio ends to a point. Okay, perfect. Now one thing I want to do, maybe I should like remove the match and move. Cause like I just noticed that my blush was basically matching and moved towards the next slide. So yeah, just take care of that being the way that I want it. So I hope you love this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and always share to your friends. And yeah,